Here's a how-to or a quick fix for your computer being dead and giving you strange memory errors or dreaded 0x blah 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 0 after Windows Update. This started for a friend of mine's business Thursday a week ago. That would be November the 20th. Every computer doing different things, and web pages in Edge and other browsers dying out, and all the Google searching and everything else said restore backups or reinstall Windows or do all this other madness. Being old school computer guy, you can see on the screen right now, there's just junk all over the screen. That's my notepad of YouTubery. Go to your task manager. How I found the problem is I sorted by memory usage. It doesn't show up this way on my computer because mine's not connected to a well-used office network. Apparently, the number of devices on the network makes a difference. So to find the problem on theirs, because it kept giving basically out of memory errors 70% of the time, I searched for what was digging the memory. It doesn't do it on mine, so I'm going to scroll you down to where it was. It's in Windows Processes. Keep on going. Find Service Host, Network Service, Delivery Optimization. See, mine shows no usage. Theirs was showing 40% and burying the disk anywhere from 5 to 45%. There are many other, depending on your installation, things happening. Just keep clicking them or sort it by memory if you're suffering this problem, especially slow web pages. But don't do anything with your services. It's off screen right now, so let's try this one. Let's search for Windows. Go to check for updates in your system settings. Go down to advanced options. I'm going to end this video as soon as I get this set on mine, because I'm going to restart my computer and see if it speeds up my web browsing. But it definitely sped everything about their computers up and stopped the crashes. Go here to delivery optimization. If this is off, allow downloads, then you have to turn it on. Make sure that you switch it from devices on my network to devices on the internet and my network. I haven't dug enough to find out if you should set this bandwidth limit, but I left it alone on theirs to percentage, and everything's fixed, so we're not going to keep fixing until it's broken again. And again, this all started with the October and November mandatory forced updates to Windows 11. Once you've got devices on the internet and my local network, make sure all downloads, allow downloads from other devices is on. Close your network. It won't change automatically here in delivery optimization. You have to restart the computer. So I'll close that, and then I'm going to timestamp my log file. 12:21 p.m. Video done. Happy Thanksgiving. And goodbye.